Ensuring Tractor Safety, a step-by-step guide. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into an important and practical topic, tractor safety checks. Whether you're a farmer, a student of agriculture, or simply interested in how heavy machinery works, understanding the essentials of tractor safety is crucial. By the end of this video, you'll know how to perform a safety check to ensure your tractor operates safely and efficiently. Let's get started. A tractor safety check involves inspecting various parts of the tractor to ensure they are in good working order and safe to use. This is not just about preventing damage to the tractor, it's primarily about ensuring the safety of the operator and anyone else in the vicinity. We'll go over each part that needs checking, why it's important, and how to check it properly. Every day, before using the tractor, there are several key things you should check. Fuel and oil levels. Ensure the tractor has enough fuel and the oil level is adequate. This prevents engine damage. Tire pressure and condition. Check all tires for proper inflation and signs of wear or damage. Properly inflated tires provide better traction and reduce the risk of accidents. Lights and signals. Make sure all lights and signal indicators are functioning. This is especially important for tractors that will be used on or near roads. Brake system. Test the brakes to ensure they are responsive and in good condition. Effective brakes are essential for stopping the tractor safely. In addition to daily checks, certain parts of the tractor require more in-depth inspection on a weekly or monthly basis. Hydraulic system. Check for leaks and test the system to ensure it is working smoothly. This system is crucial for the operation of attachments. Battery condition. Inspect the battery for corrosion and ensure it is charged. A well-functioning battery is essential for starting the tractor. Cooling system. Check the coolant level and look for leaks. An overheating engine can cause significant damage. With each changing season, certain maintenance tasks help to extend the life of your tractor and keep it running smoothly. Changing oil and filters. Regularly changing the oil and filters helps to keep the engine running efficiently. Inspecting and replacing belts. Check for worn or damaged belts and replace them as necessary. Belts are crucial for transmitting power within the tractor. Thank you for joining me today to learn about tractor safety checks. Remember, taking the time to perform these checks regularly can prevent accidents and extend the life of your tractor. Whether you're working on a farm, studying agriculture, or just curious about how tractors work, knowing how to conduct a thorough safety check is invaluable. Stay safe, and I hope this video has been helpful in your learning journey. See you next time.